me ask you something. You live in one country, your investments are in another, and the returns, when they eventually come, are supposed to arrive in a third. That's exactly how it works, right? The reality for most internationally mobile investors today. Except right now, the system is not working in the way it used to. Something changed in 2025. Regulators across Europe, the UK, Singapore, the UAE, they all tightened their anti-money laundering rules at the same time. And look, that's not a bad thing. Financial crime is real, and cracking down on it does matter. But here's the problem. The banks had to act fast, and when the banks act fast on compliance, they don't do it always surgically, they do it broadly. So what is happening now is completely legitimate transactions, money you have earned, money you are entitled to, money that should be moving freely is getting flagged, getting delayed, in some cases getting refused. This isn't because you've done anything wrong, but because the system is currently operating in the mode of maximum caution. Think about what that actually means for someone like you. Say you're based in Singapore. Your capital is sitting in Hong Kong, and the fund returns are meant to come back to your account, say in UAE or the UK. So you have 3 countries, 3 banking systems, 3 sets of compliance rules, all of which need to talk to each other perfectly, or your money sits somewhere in the middle waiting. And at the same time, and this is the part that really stings, a lot of private credit funds that people invested in 2 or 3 years ago, they're still locked up. Exit dates have moved. Money that was supposed to be back in your hands in 23 or 24 is still not here. So you have 2 problems sitting on top of each other. Your fund won't let you out, and even when it does, the banking system is going to make you wait anyway. Now, I'm not telling you this to worry you. I'm telling you this because understanding it is actually the first step to getting ahead of it. At Carey Suen, this is exactly the environment we operate in. We work with internationally mobile investors, people living across Hong Kong, Singapore, the Gulf and Europe, and we built our approach around the reality of how capital actually moves today, not how it moved 5 years ago. And one of the things we've seen very clearly is that the investors who are least affected by all of this friction, they're the ones whose investments come with contractual certainty, built in from the start. The investment structures we offer at Carey Suen are based on litigation funding. And I know that might sound technical, so let me explain what it means practically. When you invest, you get a note. That note tells you exactly when you get your money back. It might be 90 days, 120 days, up to a year. It tells you exactly what return you'll receive, and your capital is protected from day 1 through 5 independent layers of security. There is no market conditions permitting, no subject to fund performance. The exit date is in the contract, the return is in the contract, and the returns are between 7 and 21%, depending on the structure you choose. In a world where you cannot always control when your bank processes a transfer, knowing exactly when and how your investment settles is not just financially useful, it's genuinely calming. If any of this resonates with you, what you're experiencing right now, if your capital feels less in your control than it should, I would genuinely love to have a conversation. You can book a complimentary consultation, call direct at careysuen.com. No pressure, no obligation, just a straightforward conversation about your situation and whether there is something we can do to help. I'm Annette Houlihan, this is Carey Suen, and we will see you there.